Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another throwback video. All right, so let's see, what do we have here? Today we are doing a video from April 25th of 2022. 2022, so how old is that? 23, 24, 3.5 years ago. Oh, there you go. I'm showing you guys one of my favorite colors that I have made up using olive green deep and some other fun stuff. Again, it's video number 449. Go and check out video number 449 and you'll see this original video where I tell you guys how I mixed that base, how I got that nice sagey green, and all the other colors I am about to use in this video. Let's see what is going on today. So you guys are watching this on Saturday, October 25th, and I am currently in High Point, North Carolina. No, I am not there to teach or do any painting. This is the first trip I've taken with Anthony where I'm not going to teach something, and I'm not going for FAE or a retreat or anything related or to do with painting. So that's a first. So I'm excited to go away. Well, I'm recording this on Thursday. You guys are watching this on Saturday. So I'm already in High Point. But as I record this, it's 2 days before I leave. But I'm excited to go. I'm excited to get like 5 days off and just kind of do nothing. We're going there because Anthony has a business. It's a business trip for Anthony, and we're going to High Point Market. And so I'm tagging along because I want to, and I need a break from the whole house renos and everything. If you saw on Facebook, I posted an update on how the basement looks, and I swear I will try to remember at the end of this video to put that video at the end of this video. It's just like a minute long just to show you guys an update. But I started bringing down boxes from the garage that I, packed up all my art stuff in for the move. I'm slowly starting to bring all those down. Anthony and I are, bringing them down. Then I got to unbox everything, and then I have to find a new home for everything. I mean, most of my Amsterdam paints and all that stuff will go back up on the shelves that my dad built for me, but new shelving has to go into the art closet. And there's a lot to do still. I still have to paint all the trim work and all the doors in the basement that my dad installed. So those need prime. The doors need... Everything needs to be painted. So I still have to do that. All right? So I still have to paint everything. And I'd like to get it done before I actually start doing art stuff. I'd hate... Because then I'm going to put it off. If I don't do it now, I'm going to put it off, and then I'm going to get so, into like doing art and blowouts and blooms again and all that stuff. And then like literally Christmas is going to be around the corner and all that. And I'm going to put it off, and then I'm never going to get to it. So I have to do it first. I have to paint and prime 3 windows and 2 doors for now, because that's all that my dad did while he was here for the last 4 days when he was here. And then the rest of the basement's going to get done probably in a couple of months or even in the spring, which doesn't affect me or my art or my studio or teaching classes. I'm planning on probably doing a workshop here at the house at some point. And so, yeah, it doesn't affect any of that not being done. But super excited. I still have to organize the garage and the laser machine and all my laser stuff and my tumblers and the wood. And I got to start doing spinners. So hopefully when I get back from High Point, maybe, around November-ish, well, which is literally around the corner, actually, now that I think about it. November is like, what, next week? Oh my gosh, when is November 1st? Oh, November 1st is next Saturday, a week today. Oh, goodness gracious. Where does the time go? So I'm hoping some point in November, I'm going to start the spinners. I have a ton of people on the wait list who have pre-ordered spinners. So if you have been put on the wait list and you have pre-ordered a spinner, I'm going to hopefully start, working on them in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And I'm going to just, buckle down and do as many as I can and ship them out. Canada Post was on strike. Now they're on a rolling strike, which means they're alternating provinces or something like that. I don't know, but hopefully it doesn't affect anything in terms of shipping. Oh boy, let me see. What am I doing here? Here I am using the old hair dryer, and look how I'm holding it. Oh no, 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 no. The things, it's amazing how much I have changed in the last few years. I would never hold the hair dryer like that. I don't teach my students to hold a hair dryer like that anymore, and I don't even use this hair dryer anymore either. You know, it would be very interesting to see if I redid a lot of my old video pieces, you know, using this old hair dryer. If I redid them, same color, same pattern, same everything, but now using the new hair dryer that I love so much, I wonder how different it would look between this, what you're seeing here, which I still love, by the way, but I just wonder what it would look like if I did it again, but now that I'm 3 or 4 years more experienced and I have a better hair dryer, I wonder what it'll look like. So probably stay tuned for some of my upcoming videos when I start painting in the studio to do some redo some of these throwback videos and these color palettes. It'll be very interesting to see how different they turn out. But anywho, what was I saying? Yeah, anyways, I don't remember what I was saying. So I know this is probably getting tiresome for some of you watching throwbacks, but I truly appreciate you guys coming back every Tuesday and every Saturday and watching the videos, and maybe even going back to watch the old throwback video. You know, it's killing me that I can't paint. It's been over a month, maybe even a month and a half, and I'm itching to get down to the studio to paint. So I do appreciate you guys watching these reruns, even though you get to hear my voiceover and get to hear like all the new and exciting stuff that's happening. But I promise, hopefully in a couple of weeks, I'll be back live, you know, and doing, you know, new videos for you guys to see in the new studio with a studio tour and hopefully a house tour and all that fun stuff. Just bear with me for a couple more weeks, 2-3 weeks or so, and I promise I will be back, and we'll be back in full swing. You know, exciting things are coming up, new announcements are coming up, you know, all that stuff. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, so that's it. Let's see, what do we have here? The close-up. Gosh, I love, love, love these colors. I'm going to have to recreate this. Maybe not on this size canvas. Maybe I'll do it like on an 18 by 24 or something. But I love the colors. It's so pretty. Loving it. All right, what else? I think that's it. So, oh, now we're doing the, look at the shimmer. Lots of shimmer. Lights are off, flash is on. You guys know the drill. I just got 2 more minutes left in this video, so there's no point in throwing music in here. Let's see, what else can I talk to you guys about? Oh, I went furniture shopping the other day. I originally had a little mini sectional, and it doesn't really quite fit the space in here. So Anthony and I decided to hit some furniture stores the other day, and we settled on some really awesome looking sofas. So this sectional that I currently have will go down to the basement. We'll make a little, you know, quiet area down there, but I can't wait to get new sofas for the house. So we did that. The house is pretty much looking in tip-top shape, pretty much all unpacked. Paintings are on walls. Not my paintings. I don't hang my own paintings on my walls in my house. Shocking to some of you, I know. But I'm trying to keep the walls as minimalistic as possible. And the dogs are loving it. Echo is doing fine. I've had a few people asking about Echo. He's doing great. Whatever kinks or neck problems he was having seem to be gone, so we're super happy. That is my update for now. And again, I promise I'll be back soon with real videos, new videos. But in the meantime, please comment below. Tell me what you guys think about this video. Feel free to go check out the old video, you know, from the throwback. And yeah, just comment below because it does help me tremendously. Links in the description below for discounts to Lolivefe, Krystal Resin. You know, use my Amazon links to shop. and all that stuff. All that stuff really helps me tremendously. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys using the links for Amazon and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. One last little look at this painting. And that is it for me for now. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.